Hey guys, JP with J.P.BBQ. This weekend we are going to be smoking some chicken and we are going to be smoking some cluckalicious Chupacabra chicken. What's Chupacabra? You guys stay tuned and I'll tell you all about this Two Gringos Chupacabra company that makes this fantastic rub. So what's a Chupacabra? Well, according to legend, a Chupacabra is a mythical ornery creature that has made its way up through the Caribbean, South America, into Mexico, and now up into Texas. And it loves to chase the cattle around. I don't blame them. Texas has got some of the best beef in the world. Along with having some of the best beef in the world, they also have some of the best rubs in the world. And this weekend, we are going to be using the Two Gringos Chupacabra Cluckalicious rub on some chicken leg quarters, and we're going to smoke them up just right. And you guys stay tuned, and I'll show you what this chicken leg quarters a la Chupacabra comes out like. Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and get this chicken ready. Got it at my local meat market here in town, and what we're gonna do is clean it up a little bit. Some of these pieces of chicken have a lot of skin on them, and they have this tail right here. And I don't know about you guys, but some people just don't like tail. So we're gonna take this out of here. Got 4 leg quarters. And we're gonna clean them up, and I'll show you how we do that fairly easy. Okay, we take our nice little knife right here and cut that tail right off, and look and see if we got any extra skin on here. This one actually looks pretty good. So we'll put that one over there. Now this one here, look at this. This one's got quite a bit of skin, some extra fat that we kind of don't want. So we'll cut that right off and get this extra skin, going out of here. And that's what you want. Okay, piece of chicken that looks like this, going in the smoker tomorrow is going to be just fine. You want to keep some of this skin on it, of course, because this is where we get the majority of the flavor from our chicken leg quarters. And so we'll get this put right here. And I already have my citrus balsamic vinaigrette, and we'll pour this in here, and we will let this marinate overnight. And tomorrow we will continue the seasoning process and put our Chupacabra rub on it, and we will be good to go. And that's really about it for right now. Put the cover right on it, and we'll let these leg quarters marinate inside the citrus balsamic vinaigrette. Put it in the refrigerator, and tomorrow we're going to start smoking them with our Chupacabra rub. The chicken's been marinating all night long. So what we're going to do is take it out, pat it dry, get this Chupacabra season on it, and get it inside the smoker. Okay, that's what our chicken legs look like so far. So I'll take one of these gloves off, keep one hand clean, and let's see what this Chupacabra rub looks like. Man, woo-wee, boy, I think it smells good. It looks good. So, whoops, I forgot to pat them dry. I guess this will be the first one that doesn't get patted dry. All right. Grab some paper towels. Maybe because these chickens' leg quarters were on the top, they're not as marinated as the ones that are down in the bottom. This Chupacabra rub, it smells fantastic. If you guys can only smell what I'm smelling, you'll be wow. That is some good rub. Can't wait to see how it comes out on this chicken. We got our smoker fired up, running it at 350. We're gonna try to get some high heat on it. I like my my skin on my chicken just a little bit crispy. You know, if you smoke it, it tends to get a little soggy. Nobody likes soggy skin. Well, at least JP doesn't like it. Okay, well, that's about what they look like. I'm gonna get a little bit on every little nook and cranny. Oh, look at that. Got some extra skin on there. That'll work. But if you guys see what I'm seeing, you know, this chicken looks marvelous. I mean, it's gonna take on a really nice color. I can't wait to see what it looks like. But besides that, right now we're gonna get it in the smoker. I got myself a nice little tray right here, and we'll get these bad boys on this tray. Makes it a little bit easier for cleanup. Okay, but besides that, you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna get these in the smoker. There goes our chicken, and we got to get a meat probe in one of these leg quarters. Just pick out a nice fat one. Maybe this one right here. No, I like this one over here. There we go. All we need is a tip. That's really about it. Let them things cook for a couple of hours, and we'll come back and check on them, see what they look like. So some of these chicken leg quarters have already hit 160. We're gonna do an internal temp on some of these other ones using our Weber thermometer. And USDA recommends 160. I usually like to take it a little bit above 160, maybe 170, 175, just to make sure that it's fully cooked. But let's open it up, take a look at it, and see what they look like. So here we go. It's our first piece of chicken up here. That one's at 178. Ooh, 180. Let's check out this other big piece. 169, 168. Yeah, we're up there, guys. So don't need to check the rest of them. What we're gonna do now, put a little bit of barbecue rub on them, and take them out and do a little taste test. Time to give this Chupacabra chicken a try. See what it's all about. This Two Gringos company out in Texas make this chicken rub, and it's time to give it a taste test. See what it's all about. As far as the color looks really good on it. You know, I like the way the color looks. So we're just gonna cut into it. You know, cut this piece of chicken right off right here. This drumstick. Here's our thigh, and we're gonna bite right into it. See what it's all about. Oh my God. That's fantastic chicken, guys. If you haven't tried this Chupacabra chicken rub, look them up. 2gringoschupacabra.com. Got all your favorite rubs and spices, barbecue sauces. Look them up on their website. Check out their products. You know, this is good rub, guys. Let me get me another bite. Very good, very good. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna have this the whole time. I'm over here drooling on myself. Wow. That is fantastic. That is really, really good rub. And again, guys, if you have not looked them up, Two Gringos Chupacabra.com is where you can find this rub. But that's really about it. If you like this video, I appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Also, appreciate you guys for watching. I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, you're just a viewer, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button over there. I would really appreciate it. But besides that, guys, you guys have a wonderful day. And try to stay dry, and I'll see you on the next cookout.